Na 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 na.
Come have a seat. Wow. Hope you are good.
I'm fine, and you?
Always looking amazing.
I'm good.
Gifty.
Mm.
It's about the issue again. Gifty. For the first time I set my eyes on you. Gifty.
Yes.
The first time I set my eyes on you, I can say you are the best woman who deserves my heart.
Thank you.
Beauty. I want to tell you, my name is I. The problem is you. Okay. And my solution is love. I love you.
I love you too.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure you love me?
I love you.
Thank you. Thank you. Let's build a legacy together.
Okay.
You and I together. So we do it together.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah. That's so nice of you.
Then let's go.
Okay. Are we going to your house?
Yes.
Good.
Okay.
I'll call you when I'm done.
Okay. The next time. Love you.
Love you too.
All right.
Bye.
Call. Yeah, hello, babe. Yeah, babe, where are you? I'm at. Do I even know here? That street, Ebenezer Street or what? Yeah. Hope you are in the house. Oh, come on. Oh, I was coming to you, that's why. Please, you meet me there. I beg, please. Okay. Love you. Okay, I'll be waiting. Okay, bye.
Hey.
Oh, you keep moving.
What are you doing here?
I was coming to you. Today I was not having anything on me, so I didn't chatter for bush.
Really?
Yeah.
But this is not my street.
Because I didn't chatter about that's why I didn't ask you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. I've heard you. Anyway, I was buying something
Okay.
here, yeah, but I didn't get some.
Okay.
Yeah, so can we go home?
Okay.
All right.
Bye. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Trust you good, right? Don't worry, you're fine, I know. By the way, I heard you're dating Gifty. How true is that?
What's your problem in this?
No. Why must you date two friends? What is wrong with you? What do you want? In fact, what do you want? You are maltreating one and then you're treating one good. What is wrong with you? What do you want?
Auntie, what are you?
What do you want? Tell me. What do you want?
Auntie,
How can you date two friends? Is that you know what? If you don't stop, either you date one and leave one.
so is it a warning or a threat?
It's a one and it's a threat. You can take it anyhow you want it.
So are you tracking me or you're chasing me and there?
You know what? If I want to chase you, I know where you stay, I know where you live. In fact, I know that in Kukobo you stay in, I can come there. You know what? It's just a coincidence that I met you.
So what should we do?
If you don't stop it, what you are doing, I swear, you won't take it lightly with me. You will get what you deserve.
I'll get what?
You deserve. Are you listening?
I'm serious.
Get back. And you don't respect. Oh, is that your fault? Gifty made so cheap. Gifty. Oh no, what about for?
Oh, come on. Hey. Hey. My friend, I'm calling you. I'm calling you, I'm walking away.
What's up? What did you do the last time when I was working with my sister? Oh, so are you here to threaten me or you are here to fight with me?
You're asking me a question.
Oh, of course. Are you here to fight with
Are
me?
you mad?
Are you insulting me?
Yes, please.
Yo,
Friend, steady. Don't mess up with me.
do you know who you messing with?
Who are you?
Hey,
Who are you?
yo.
Hey, what you going to do to me?
Hey, you mad?
What you going to do? Yo, what's the problem, man? Yo, what's the
Really?
problem? Yo, chill, man. Yo, chill. You two chill. What the problem is? What's the problem? Yo, what's the problem? Yo, what's the problem, man? What's the problem? Yo, chill.
No, man.
Chill, man.
For me, what?
Man, what's the problem?
Nothing much, guy. He just snatched my sister's phone.
And you didn't tell me. Why did you allow him to go?
You allow him to go.
No, I thought you guys are friends, so I'm just trying to separate you guys. I didn't want any trouble to happen. So you should have told me earlier so that I can chase him and deal with him.
Then let's chase him.
Are you sure? Okay, let's see. This guy.
Hi, hello. Sorry. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
And please, how are you doing?
I'm good.
Okay, sorry for bothering you. And please, are you Pablo?
Sure, I'm Pablo.
Oh, okay. Sorry for bothering you. Please, you know Gifty.
Yeah, I know Gifty. Why are you asking me that?
And please, who is she to you? Sorry. Please, who is she to you?
I don't know you. Why are you asking me such questions?
I'm a friend of Gifty, okay? We are 3 ladies, okay? Gifty, Portia, and I. Okay, I'm Lizzie. Yes,
Fine, Gifty is my girlfriend.
Oh, okay. Gifty is your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Meaning, you guys are still dating?
Yeah, we're still dating. She's my girlfriend.
Oh. Sorry, You know what? Gifty is dating um Portia's boyfriend. Okay. Gifty is seeing Portia's boyfriend, and then we are friends. Okay. I heard about Gifty talking with somebody on phone, calling the name Pablo. So I asked her, and then she said Pablo is her boyfriend. So I was doubting. I wanted to find out if you guys are still dating or you are not. Sorry, don't worry. Do, don't let it bother you, okay? Please. I just want to know.
No. Wait. Are you trying to say that Gifty is seeing another man?
That's it.
Oh no, I don't believe that. Okay.
Oh, okay. You don't believe it.
No,
Okay,
no.
you know what? Gifty is a friend of mine, eh? We are ladies. Like, see me, Gifty, Portia, Lizzie. The Lizzie is me, standing in front of you.
It doesn't matter. Okay, you being friends with Gifty doesn't matter. Okay, maybe no. Maybe you lying. Maybe you want to say something to.
No.
You know, I don't believe.
I can't lie. No, I can't lie when somebody said like that.
You know what?
I don't lie.
Gifty loves me so much, and I love her. Okay.
You are doubting.
I said, I don't believe that.
Gifty
Okay?
loves you.
It's okay. It's okay. All right. Thank you very much. Okay. I don't believe Gifty will cheat on me. Okay.
You know.
Thank you.
No, Bossu, listen. Bossu, wait. Bossu. Listen, Bossu. Wait. The thing is, I know you love Gifty, right? I know you love Gifty, but Gifty is cheating. Like she's seeing Portia's boyfriend, and we are friends. That is what I want to talk. You know.
See, you are stressing yourself.
Um.
All right. You are stressing yourself. I said Gifty will never cheat on me. I love her and she loves me too. So please, can you stop following me?
But wait, Pablo. Can
Can you stop following me? What's wrong with you? Huh? Are you mad? Fine, if Gifty is cheating on me, it's none of your business, okay?
Sorry.
Don't follow me again, else I'll slap you.
Hey.
Nonsense.
Sorry. What is that from? Hey, he won't listen to me, oh. Hey, this guy's not like Nakofi. Nakofi, I would have followed him to where he's. Hey, Pablo. Hi. I'm sorry.
Why do you always keep me waiting?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? You keep doing it and you're telling me you're sorry.
Sorry for keeping you waiting. Sorry. What's up?
Just you
Why?
listen to me. I'm not in a good mood.
Why?
I'm come to ask you something
What's that?
and I need a truthful answer.
Okay.
I don't want you to lie to me.
Okay. You can ask me.
Okay.
Why? What's happening?
Listening, let me talk.
Okay.
I've heard some rumors about you.
That would.
By you being my girlfriend, I don't want to pay attention to that. But I want to confirm. I want to know if what I heard is true.
Okay.
I've heard that you've been walking around with some slim guy. I don't know. You've been walking. Don't laugh. I'm serious, please. Please, I'm serious.
Me.
I've heard that you've been walking around with some slim guy around this vicinity. I don't want to believe if what I heard is true.
I said it's never true. Who told you?
The one who told me is none of your business.
Then the person is lying.
Gifty. Gifty.
I said it's not true. Why? Why don't you?
Gifty, listen to me.
Why don't you want to believe
Listen
me?
to me. You know what I can do. You know what I'm capable of. If I find out that what I've been hearing is true, I swear, you'll never like me. So just tell me the truth now.
Listen to me. I'm telling you the truth. It's not true. Who told you? You tell me. Who told you?
I said the one who told me it's not business, okay?
Then you calm down. It's okay. It's not true. And you know I can't do that. Why will I do that?
I don't know anything.
It's okay. It's okay. It's not true.
It's okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go where?
Let's go.
Let's go where?
Home.
Let's go home. Your place or my place?
My place.
Your place. No, I'm not going to your place.
Why?
Because of your family.
No.
No.
They will not do anything. Let's go.
They don't like me, okay? I don't want I don't want any problem with your parents, neither your siblings. Please.
I said no one is in the house.
If you want to see me or if you want to have something to do with me, then let's go to my house.
Then let's go.
Now, I swear if I find out.
Oh, why don't you want to trust me? Me again.
What do you want?
Have you changed or you are still you?
What stupid question are you asking me?
Have you changed or you are still you? I know you can't change. Men
So why
like
you ask?
you,
You know I can't change, so why
ungrateful
you ask?
beings like you. I know you can't change. You will never change. Meaning, once it's not that, you. Taking money from ladies is what you know. Taking money from ladies is what you know how to do. Letting ladies buy you clothes, shirts, trousers, boxes is what you know. This one I escorted her. Let me show you. Nana Kofi. Nana Kofi. Nana Kofi. Ay.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
You, I know you will never change, so it's fine. It's fine. Let's go. Why are you taking me to?
To your house.
Is this where I stay?
I'm sorry, man.
Change. Let's go. So you, when will you stop this thing? Stop talking, sir. I'm telling you. No. When will you stop this lady's thing? It's not fine, no. Wish. You.
My friend.
So you don't have sympathy for somebody who has.
You are in pain.
You made me fall down. You are.
I'm sorry. Listen. Okay, you can't stop.
Yeah, I cannot stop talking until you change you. I cannot. I can't walk.
So what do you want me to do?
Carry me.
How can I carry this big boy that look like an elephant?
Alex, seriously, are you insulting me?
I'm not insulting you. Look at your boy like elephant. How can I carry you?
My body like elephant.
I'm sorry.
I don't blame you. I blame Portia for taking somebody like you as a boyfriend. Let's go.